The Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 hinges itself on some key messages we will be checking out in this video, so let's find out. In the box, we have the user manual, screen protector, extra casing, charger, USB cable, and earbuds. So first off is premium design. This is a really exciting color we have here. It's the Aurora Blue, which is one of the three colors the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 comes in, the others being the Midnight Black and Coral Red. The Aurora Blue and Coral Red being very energetic colors in particular, presenting color bursts of options to match different personality types or just match outfits. Now to the features on the body of the phone. On the side, there's the volume rocker and power button. To the other side, there's the SIM tray and SD card slot. We have the headphone jack and microphone on top, and then there's the USB port and speaker grill at the bottom. And there's a notch. I feel notches have become such significant design features for phones these days. The Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 features a 6.26-inch dewdrop in form of a tiny pearl-shaped notch, which is one of Huawei's smallest notches to date. The Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 is powered by octa-core Qualcomm 450, operates on Android 8.10, there's 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage, plus 512 expandable storage with a micro SD card. There's 6.26-inch HD display and battery life of 4000 mAh. I test for features like the face unlock and fingerprint scanner. Very responsive. The Y7 Prime 2019 features IPS LCD display with a screen resolution of 1520 by 720 pixels to give a clearer and wider view and enhance viewing experiences. Next up, we have the camera. It has a 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual camera, which can capture 50% more light information compared to the Y7 Prime 2018. Alongside an AI-powered camera with real-time scene and object recognition technology that can recognize 22 different categories of objects, although it didn't recognize any of the objects I took. And it also has a 16-megapixel front-facing camera. Here are some shots that I took with the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019. So the camera is really sharp, a bit too sharp for me, but the pictures appear a bit grainy. I also tried the easy hands-free shooting, which has the gesture control and smile recognition. Now to the outstanding battery life and fast charging. The phone has an intelligent battery management system and support for fast charging. It features a ceramic backplate that is treated with a polycarbonate coating for improved resilience against everyday wear and tear and to avoid body of device from heating up when held in hands, when charging, or in use as opposed to glass material. Another cool and quite important feature which stands out is the TUV certified eye care feature. This feature automatically adjusts the colors of display and reduces the intensity of blue light. Although the audio quality isn't so great, the feel and display of the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 is, especially for a phone priced at 59,000 naira. Alright guys, that's it. Please let me know your thoughts on the Y7 Prime 2019 and all its features by leaving a comment in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on all our social media handles at TechCity NG.